the rights and honors of women in Islam by the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Listen carefully. Because Islam did not borrow dignity for women, Islam restored it. Through Prophet Muhammad, women were given rights the world denied them for centuries. Rights, benefits, and honors given to women in Islam. 1. Islam declared women fully human, equal in soul and worth. 2. Islam forbade the killing of baby girls. 3. Islam called daughters a blessing, not a burden. 4. The Prophet and said raising daughters leads to paradise. 5. Women were given the right to life without conditions. 6. Women were given the right to education. 7. Seeking knowledge was made obligatory for women. 8. Women were given the right to own property. 9. Women were given the right to inherit wealth. 10. Women were given the right to earn and work. 11. A woman's wealth was declared hers alone. 12. A husband has no right over his wife's money. 13. Women were given the right to consent in marriage. 14. Forced marriage was declared invalid. 15. Women were given the right to choose their spouse. 16. Women were given the right to divorce. 17. Women were given the right to dignity after divorce. 18. Widows were protected and honored. 19. Marrying widows was encouraged, not shamed. 20. Orphan girls were given legal protection. 21. Women were given the right to maintenance and shelter. 22. Mothers were given 3 times more honor than fathers. 23. Paradise was placed under the feet of mothers. 24. Elderly women were commanded to be respected. 25. Women were protected from physical abuse. 26. The Prophet never hit a woman. 27. Harming women was declared a grave sin. 28. Kindness to wives was made a sign of faith. 29. The Prophet said the best of you are the best to their women. 30. Women were allowed to speak, question, and debate. 30. When women corrected even the caliphs openly. 32. Women participated in social and public life. 34. Women took part in education and teaching hadith. 34. Women were scholars, jurists, and narrators. 45. Women were business owners like Khadijah. 36. A woman was the Prophet's first believer. 47. A woman was the Prophet's greatest supporter. 38. Women were honored for bravery and hardship. 39. Women were protected during war. 40. Harming women in war was forbidden. 41. Women were given modesty as protection, not punishment. 42. Women were valued for character, not beauty. 43. Women were judged by faith, not gender. 44. Women had the right to complain directly to the Prophet. 45. Women's emotional needs were acknowledged. 46. The Prophet listened patiently to women. 47. Women were never blamed for men's sins. 48. Eve was not blamed alone for Adam's mistake. 49. Women were partners in faith and responsibility. 50. Women were promised equal reward in the hereafter. 51. Women's prayer, fasting, and charity were fully accepted. 51. Women's consent mattered in every major decision. 54. A woman's honor was protected by law. 54. A woman's reputation was sacred. 55. A woman's dignity was declared non-negotiable. Closing. Speech ending. This was not theory. This was practice. This was Muhammad. If someone oppresses women and claims Islam, they stand against the Prophet, not with him. Islam did not silence women. Islam saved women. May Allah make us followers of the character of Muhammad, not just the claim of his name. Peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad.